Amazon Brand Registry can help you protect and grow your brand in the Amazon store. To participate, you'll need to have a registered or pending trademark and your brand name or logo permanently affixed to your products or packaging. Once enrolled, you gain increased control over your product detail pages. Your registered trademark establishes legal rights, while Amazon's technology actively monitors for counterfeits and IP violations. Brand Registry offers multi-layered protection with powerful tools and programs to safeguard your brand. As a rights owner for your brand, you can report infringement through Report a Violation, prevent counterfeits with the Transparency Program, remove unauthorized listings with Project Zero, and partner with Amazon's Counterfeit Crimes Unit to take legal action against unauthorized sellers. You'll also have opportunities to optimize your listings and expand your brand's presence with tools like A+ content, as well as gain valuable insights from customer reviews and programs like Amazon Vine. Brand Registry can help you grow your customer base through multiple channels, create targeted advertising campaigns with sponsored brands and sponsored display ads, engage shoppers with dynamic content through posts and Amazon live streams, and build repeat business with subscribe and save delivery discounts. Track and optimize your performance with powerful analytics tools like brand analytics, or test different versions of your content with Manage Your Experiments to discover what resonates best with customers and drives growth. The more tools you use, the stronger your brand presence on the Amazon store can become. Not sure you're ready for Brand Registry? Review our Prepare to Enroll in Brand Registry checklist to find out how you can work toward becoming eligible. Visit the Brand Registry website to explore all the benefits of the program and begin enrollment.